welcome to Success Mindset. In this video series of how to make money online, I am going to share with you the best ways to make money online in 2021. The videos in this series contain viable and effective methods that you can use to earn substantial income from while working online or at home. This series will be very resourceful and detailed and provide you with all that you need to successfully start your online journey as a creator. We have done all the research for you, now you just have to implement what you will learn. In this video we will look at in details the different ways you can earn money on YouTube before your channel gets monetized and after your channel has been approved for monetization. First, let's look at the ways to make money on YouTube after your channel has been approved for monetization. Then we will look at how you can make money on YouTube even if your channel has not been monetized. YouTube is a video sharing platform, the second largest search engine, with close to 2 billion viewers, and over 500,000 daily video uploads. Business owners pay multi-millions of dollars every month for advertising space on this platform. This provides tremendous opportunities for creators from many different countries, professions, talents and niches to earn money. The amount of time and effort you put into your work as a creator, and your level of understanding of how YouTube works will impact your capacity to increase your YouTube earnings as a creator. Once your channel reaches the minimum threshold criteria, there are 5 main ways that you can earn income on YouTube after monetization. 1. By joining the YouTube Partner Program. 2. By joining YouTube Premium. 3. By charging a channel membership fee for your channel. 4. By signing up for YouTube's Super Chat feature. 5. By selling items from YouTube's merchandise shelf. Number 1. Joining the YouTube Partner Program. When you join the YouTube Partner Program, you will be able to monetize videos on your channel. YouTube will display ads on your videos and will you earn revenue when viewers watch and click on these ads. Let's look at how YouTube ads work. YouTube pays a percentage of ad revenue received from Google advertisers' fees to promote products and services on its platform through your channel. They do this by allowing creators to insert ads on their videos as they play. This service is facilitated through Google AdSense program, a program run by Google, who pays a percentage of ad revenue for views and clicks on ads. There are certain criteria to be met by a creator before to qualify to participate in the YouTube Partner Program. These include, more importantly, following their YouTube guidelines, meeting the subscriber threshold of more than 1,000 subscribers, and the watch time threshold of more than 4,000 watch hours. Once that has been achieved, you can apply for YouTube monetization and set up an AdSense account. Your channel will then be reviewed for approval to join the partner program. The review and approval process usually takes about 30 days and sometimes varies, according to the number of applicants. If your channel has been approved, you will be sent a verification PIN from Google to verify your account so you can begin to receive monthly payments. Your first payment will be forwarded when you have reached the minimum payout threshold. YouTube pays on the 15th of every month. There are many things that YouTube takes into consideration when determining your pay. YouTube's algorithm is a real-time feedback service based on artificial intelligence. It recommends videos to viewers' requests and interests based on search request and viewers' search history. The more views you get, and the longer persons stay watching your videos, the easier it will be for your video to be recommended to suitable viewers. This will then increase your capacity to increase earnings. It is a good idea to familiarize yourself with updates made to YouTube's algorithm, so you can know how best to optimize your videos for search, and maximize your earning potential. We will help you with this type of information on this channel. Number 2. Participating in YouTube Premium subscription. Another way you can earn money on YouTube is by participating in YouTube Premium subscription service. YouTube offers several paid premium services to viewers. One of them is a premium membership service to viewers known as YouTube Premium. This is a subscription service that provides advertising-free streaming of all videos hosted on YouTube to members. Subscribers to this service can get access to ad-free content on all devices, download videos without an internet connection, ad-free music streaming on YouTube Music, access all YouTube original series and films. For this service, each subscriber pays a premium of $11.99 per month after a 30-day free trial. This monthly membership fee is shared with creators when premium subscribers watch their videos. The more videos watched from a creator by premium subscribers, the more money earned by the creator. Number 3. Another option to earn revenue on YouTube is by charging a channel membership fee. Subscribers can support your channel by paying a monthly fee in exchange for member-only privileges. There are criteria you need to meet in order to qualify to charge a membership fee. Your channel needs to have 30,000 subscribers. If it is a gaming channel, you must have at least 1,000 subscribers. You need to be a member of the YouTube Partner Program. All benefits offered to channel members must comply with YouTube's guidelines. This strategy works well with careful planning after you have established that connection and trust with your audience. Number 4. Super Chat feature. This is an additional feature that creators can use to earn more money on YouTube. It allows viewers to pay to pin a comment on live streams. Super Chat is only available when live chat is turned on. There are requirements to be met before a creator can use this feature. Creators must meet YouTube channel requirements. These include: 1. The channel must be monetized. 2. Creator must be over 18 years. 3. Creator must be from an approved location. This service is not available on Made for Kids, age-restricted, unlisted, or private videos. Number 5. Selling on YouTube's merch shelf. You can also sell items on YouTube's merch shelf and earn additional money. YouTube Merchandise Shelf is a platform where approved creators can sell their branded items. To be considered for the merch shelf and related merch features, you have to meet YouTube minimum requirements. 1. Your channel must be approved for monetization. 2. You must be based in a country where the YouTube Partner Program is available. 3. If your channel is a music channel, it has to be an official artist channel. If your channel is not a music channel, it has to have more than 10,000 subscribers. 4. Your channel's audience must not be set as made for kids. 5. Your channel should not have a significant number of videos set as made for kids. 6. Your channel does not have a significant number of videos that violate YouTube's channel monetization policies. 7. Your channel has not received any hate speech community guideline strikes. Once your channel meets these requirements, you can apply to have your product displayed on YouTube Merchandise Store. So, we have just explored 5 different ways you can make money on YouTube as a creator directly through YouTube. Joining the Partner Program, charging a channel membership fee, joining YouTube Premium, using the Super Chat feature and selling branded items on the merch shelf. Did you know that you can also earn money on YouTube independently? Yes, you can. As we mentioned earlier on, there are other very profitable ways that you can earn revenue on your YouTube channel even if your channel has not been monetized. You can earn huge amounts of money by doing the following. 1. Doing affiliate marketing for multiple products from relevant niches. 2. Sponsored promotions on your channel. 3. Using Google AdSense on other websites and linking to your YouTube channel. 4. Crowdfunding your projects. In order to use any of these strategies, you need a channel with interesting content. We will show you the quickest and easiest ways to create great content for your channel, so you can have a platform to earn a revenue even before your channel gets monetized. Now let's look at each method. Affiliate marketing. Who is an affiliate marketer? An affiliate marketer is someone who helps promote products and services on the behalf of another business or person. We are going to provide you with a list of popular affiliate marketing sites for 2021. Then we will provide you with guidance on how to use the strategy. Here is a list of the best affiliate marketing website available in 2021. Amazon Associates, eBay Partners, Shopify Affiliate Program, ClickBank, ShareASell Affiliates, Rakuten Marketing Affiliates, Lead Pages Partner Program, JotForm Affiliate Program. When you join an affiliate program, you can choose from a variety of products to sell, and every time someone buys a product through your unique link, you take a set percentage of the value of the sale. Affiliate offers will vary greatly, and there's a wide variety to choose from. When you find products that match with your content, then it can be a good revenue stream. The easiest way to add affiliate links to your content is in the description. You can also add them directly into the video content itself. When you're doing this, remember that successful content always offers value, so any affiliate links you include have to be relevant and useful for your viewer. The products you recommend will reflect on you, so check that your affiliate links match the quality of your content. Now let's look at sponsored promotions. You can earn attractive sums of money by doing sponsored promotions. You can monetize your YouTube videos and make money through sponsored promotions, for brands, products and services on behalf of companies or individuals. You will have to reach out to brands that match your niche and offer to create videos that feature their products or run promotional content for them. Many of these businesses are looking to increase sales, attract traffic to product pages, boost brand awareness, to promote a brand and products in an engaging and interactive way. Companies will pay attractive sums of money to get publicity and engagement from your audience. Here is an opportunity to use your monthly number of views as a selling point. The more publicity opportunities you offer to your target, the more likely they are to participate and pay good money. Another way to earn money on YouTube before monetization is by using Google Ads, associated with another website. You can link it to your YouTube channel and earn additional income when viewers click on ads. You can link a Google AdSense account to your channel even if you are not part of the YouTube Partner Program. Linking a YouTube channel to your Google Ads account allows the linked Google Ads account to run ads based on interactions with your channel's videos. When your audience view and click ads, revenue generated is paid directly to your AdSense account. To link a Google AdSense account to your YouTube channel for this purpose, first, log into YouTube Studio. Click Settings. Then, click Channel. Next, click Advanced Settings. Then click Link Account. Enter details and click Done. Once YouTube approves, you will be able to show Google Ads on your videos. And finally, you can crowdfund your projects. Crowdfunding is the practice of funding a project or venture by raising small amounts of money from a large number of people, typically via the internet. There are several apps for that you can find fans to financially support the work you do in return for special perks. You have to decide what you are going to offer to entice fans to contribute or sign up for membership services. You can offer people early access to your new content in return for a monthly subscription fee. Here are a few sites that you can use: Patreon, Buy Me a Coffee, Indiegogo, Kickstarters. Fans can also make contributions through PayPal or fans-only accounts. YouTube has also recently added its own crowdfund feature, where you can put a sponsor button on your videos. This allows you to offer rewards to your audience in return for monthly funding. This option started for gaming channels but is gradually being rolled out across more channels. We have now shown you the main ways you can earn money on YouTube before your channel gets monetized and after your channel gets monetized. We hope that you implement both sets of strategies gradually to increase your earnings on YouTube. We have come to the end of this video. Please like and share with friends and fans if you found it to be informative and enlightening. Subscribe, if you have not done so, and turn on the post notification bell. We appreciate you. Peace and love to all.